Hey everyone, Michael here, and in this video, I want to do an unboxing video of the new DJI OSMO Pocket. Now, I recently received this in the mail, but I thought it would be a great idea to unbox this with y'all, just to give you my experience with DJI. Now, there are tons of review videos on DJI OSMO Pocket on YouTube, so I'm not going to talk about the product per se, but I want to talk about this DJI buying experience from an e-com entrepreneur's perspective. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, so when I received my DJI OSMO Pocket, it came in this brown box. And when you open this box, on the top is my invoice. Alright, and the next thing that I saw was my mini SD card. Now, this is additional product that I was upsold to, and I'll show you that sequence in a little bit on their site. And then we get to our DJI OSMO Pocket over here, the main product. So it's the packaging is really nice and it's very solid. Nothing is moving inside. And there is a plastic wrapping around this box. So let me go ahead and cut this open. Okay, once a plastic wrapping is removed, I have to remove the sleeve over here. And there's a tape at the top, so let me remove that as well. And tape on the bottom. Now let's remove this little sleeve. Okay, there's a card inside as well. Okay, for more information, visit their site. And then here's the box. And of course, warranty over here. All right, so here's the box. And when you open it up, this is what's inside. So we have the small device over here, the DJI OSMO Pocket. It's like this big. All right. And then we have our casing over here. And I guess inside the casing, there's all the manuals and stuff over here, neatly packed inside. All right. We have our little hanger and our USB cord and the adapters and the manual. All right, so the packaging is really nice and I like the presentation and the box and the feel of everything is really nice. So to buy something that's this expensive, I do expect to see a nice packaging like this when I open it up. So the whole unboxing experience, I really enjoyed it. Now let's head back to my computer. So we're on the DJI website right now and the look and feel almost makes me feel like I'm on the Apple website. This makes sense because DJI is trying to position their product as higher end. But overall, the navigation and the website is very user-friendly. And the first thing that I saw when I went to DJI.com is the OSMO Pocket. And that is because that is their latest product and they're trying to promote it. So if we go to the store, their online store, the OSMO Pocket is the first thing I see as well. And on their product page, it's very standard. We have our image on the left side and our description on the right side. And we have our thumbnails over here. And they also tell me that I have free shipping and taxes included. And on the bottom, it also tells me the estimated ship time. All right. And because this is like $350, almost $400 product, I want to know more about this product before I buy. So as I scroll down under overview, I have a lot of information and a lot of picture I can relate to make sure I make the right buying decision. Right? So it shows me the size of this gimbal and how it's different. Everything I need to know is right here and a lot of images to pre-sell me onto this product. Okay. And then we also have what's inside the box. I want to know exactly what I'm getting. And if I have any questions or concerns, there's FAQ about this product as well. So once I'm ready to buy, I just click on shop now and I'll be brought to this page. And this is their pre-checkout upsell. As you can see on the top, we have our micro SD, which is a complement to this product. And on the bottom, we have the accessories. All right, that is how I got upsold to this product as well. But if you don't click on anything and click on next, there's a prompt telling you, hey, you did not select micro SD and there's no onboard storage. But in reality, the device, when you connect it to your phone, you can actually use that storage. So it's not needed, but it's good to have. So that is why I got upsold into this product. All right, so let's go ahead and click on next. And then on the next upsell, we have the Osmo Shield, which is the warranty. And then we can go ahead and add to cart. And then we can view cart and checkout. So here's the checkout page, and once you click on checkout, you can pay with credit card or you can pay with PayPal over here. All right, so that is my experience with DJI and shopping on their online store. Overall, the experience was great, and even after checkout, I got email confirmation and SMS confirmation as well. And the shipping time was surprisingly fast because it came from China and it's December and everyone's backlogged because of the holiday rush. So it's always good to learn from big companies to see what they're doing right so we can implement in our stores as well. So whenever you shop online, I always break it down to see what other people are doing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. And if you enjoy more of this type of video, let me know in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next one.